Hello guys, in this video I will try just to show you one of the best stock screeners, and since we are speaking about earnings, now you should go from here, from Finviz, you can go to screener, and then you go to, for example, top gainers. It will give you stocks 132 that we have gap apps. Most of them are gaps 13%, 31%, 28, 20, and we have a lot of top gainers. And then if you are going to check what is the top losers, you just click top losers here on the signal. You will get stocks that go 30%, 29, 26. Now this is most of the time for the people either to go long or to go short, because most of the time stocks that are going down into, let's say, a gap down, not all of them, but most of them are to be going down more and more and more. Some people use shorting, some people use puts options, and if things is good for stocks like top gainers, stocks are going up. Some people they use what we call call options. It's a lot of risk as usual, and understand that any trade that you do, there is no sure thing. So you should understand that the market will not give you a sure thing. That's why most of the people who are beginners, they are looking for a sure thing. That's why they are looking for people to give them miracles, and this it will not gonna happen in the stock market. Stock market, you should risk your money. Okay, risk your money in order to get money, but just wanting to get money without risk, this will never happen. And whenever you try to see any stock, you can just put it in your chart. Okay, so as you can see, gap apps, you can see them like this, gap apps, without going to your chart. If you don't want to, you just see how, or you can just if you want to, you can just click the stock and it show you how the gap app is. Okay, so this is all for this video. So this Finviz is a very good stock screener for all you guys who wants to try to check stocks that have all your. Also, we have futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, and for me, I don't go to all this stuff, so I am going just to do stocks. And the filters that are, we have descriptive, we have fundamental, about the company itself, we have technical, and each one is what he wants to like to do in this kind of stocks. Even you can put price. If you don't want to see big prices like 200 or 100, you can see just, you put under, for example, let's say under 10. Okay, top gainers under 10, they will give you this kind of stocks, and you see that there are $1, $2, $5, $7 for those who are looking for penny stocks and the other stuff. Okay, and this Finviz, it's very good one. There are a lot of free stock screener, not just this, there are a lot, but this is very easy to use and it's very descriptive. It means if you want to see, for example, sector, you just click what sector you want to see and gives you only the stocks that are in the same sector, or industry if you want. Even if you want the country, it can give you USA or any other country that you want to. Okay, so thank you very much. Please, if you have questions, just ask questions, or you can send me a private message. Thank you very much.